ना इतनी आईपी शूट कर चुकी हूँ, बट एक आईपी मिस नहीं हुई मेरी। सारे गेस्ट हमेशा टाइम पे आए, बट आज का ये गेस्ट उफ, तेरे दिमाग खराब कर दिया यार। 2:30 बजे आना था और अब देखो घड़ी में क्या टाइम हो रहा है। आने दो इसे, लगता है इंडिया से नहीं सीधा ही सीधा अब्रॉड से आ रहा है। अब्रॉड से क्या यार, ये तो कोरिया से आ रहा है। उप्स, लगता है इस बार मैंने बता दिया, पहला हिंट दे दिया क्या। पता नहीं ये गेस्ट कब आएगा। इस इंसान के चक्कर में ना मेरी कल की फ्लाइट मिस हो सकती है। अगर मेरी फ्लाइट मिस हो गई तो उसके पैसे कौन देगा, क्योंकि उसे तो समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि मैं बोल क्या रही हूँ। ओह शिट, क्या मैंने सेकंड हिंट दे दिया। ओह माय गॉड, बट प्लीज और आजा आजा आजा। ओह शिट, लगता है मैंने थर्ड हिंट भी दे दिया। बट आके ना उसने पैरों में गिर जाना है मेरे, और मैंने उसको बोल देना है अगर तू मेरे पैरों में नहीं गिरा देख फिर तू। बेल बज गई क्या? क्या वो आ गया? चलो लेट्स गो फाइंड आउट।
만화라! 좀 만화라? 어? 아, 오케이. 쏘리. 왜 만화라? 만화라? 어?
अरे रुको!
만화라! Okay.
This is India. This is not Korea. You can shout at the gate. Come.
Very luxury style, right? I like. Wow. What is this?
My awards.
우와. Very good. Wow. This when?
Hyderabad. Shooting. Outfit. Painting.
Wow. 보아순대로. Your eyes very 보아순대로.
You coming Korea?
Yeah.
India? क्या
Because Korea very cold.
ये लगता है ये एयरपोर्ट से सीधा मेरे घर पे आ गया है।
You look good.
I look good?
We matching very good.
This because of you I wear because today we watch Bollywood movie.
Oh.
New Bollywood movie.
Oh.
You wanna watch?
Which Bollywood movie?
जब we met.
자, we met.
Let's go watch it.
Wow. Very good. This Mumbai view.
Yeah.
Wow. This where? Andheri or Chu or Malad? Where? Your house. Oh, you very rich. Right?
But not richer.
I'm living Malad.
You tell audience that you stay in.
I'm living in Malad.
Okay, I'm going to his house then.
Her town very rich town. Money they do.
Money de do. Give Korean money. I give you Indian money. Okay?
Okay.
Give Korean money. You give me.
No, I'm only no cash.
No cash. Give card.
Ah, Bitcoin.
No Bitcoin.
Why?
Only gold coin. Really?
짜라잔.
Mitali.
Dali. Because you saw about sister so many talking to in Big Boss time, right? You very missing her, right?
Yes.
Her where? Where?
Delhi.
Delhi?
Yeah.
You also Delhi?
No, Mumbai.
You Mumbai? You like Mumbai, Delhi?
You like Mumbai, Korea.
I'm Mumbai.
Okay, then I also Mumbai.
Mumbai!
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 Today, I have surprise for you. Jab we met Big Boss house. Today, we watch Jab we met. You know Shahid Kapoor?
Of course.
Then let's go and
Wow,
watch.
I favorite actor Shahid Kapoor because I'm watching this movie. तेरी बातों
तेरी बातों में सब
दिल
Okay, now let's watch.
So your house is very bright.
You shift here, I shift Korea.
No.
Bye.
My Malad also change it.
No.
Why?
You never invite.
No, I'm invite you.
When?
You every time busy.
Ramen you make and you invite.
I want to tell you.
Ah.
In Korea's mean sexy talking. You want to ramen? My home? These Korea's people thinking, other thinking.
गाइस ये बोल रहे हैं कि अगर आप कोरिया में किसी को बोलते हो कि मैं आपके घर आके रामेन खाना चाहता हूँ या खाना चाहती हूँ, so means you are talking in a very sexy and a very seductive way. Is what
I
he's
teaching
saying.
you this teaching.
Okay.
라면 먹고 갈래?
먹고 갈래?
먹고
먹고
갈래?
갈래?
라면 먹고 갈래?
So first 사랑이 on now 먹고 갈래.
Second,
Second
라면
라면
먹고
먹고
갈래?
갈래.
Yes.
먹고 갈래.
라면 먹고 갈래?
Okay. Okay. Today I make a reel saying that.
라면 먹고 갈래?
Ramen 먹고 갈래. Okay.
No. 라면 먹고 갈래?
Ramen 먹고 갈래.
You want to ramen? My home? These Korea's people thinking, other thinking.
Now they will follow me.
라면 먹고 갈래?
Ramen 먹고 갈래.
Yes.
Woo!
This is very good.
100k followers from Korea. Now Ramen 먹고 갈래. Me
Yes.
my Instagram. Okay.
Yes.
Ah.
You guys come? Anything ramen.
Get ramen. Anyway, how can we watch the movie? Because I really want to watch the movie.
Okay.
Let's go watch the movie, guys.
चलो.
चलो! अरे चलो!
You think this? 짤핫.
अरे you sit here.
짤핫. This.
Okay.
We met.
Yay!
Yes. Wait.
Wow, movie.
Do you missing Big Boss time?
Our friendship? Yes. Other friendship? No.
Why that time very beautiful memories.
Yeah.
Right?
Christmas time?
Yes.
Singing time?
Yes.
Party time?
Yes.
All the Jimmy.
Fight time.
No one.
Really?
Ah.
I'm sometimes missing that.
No, fight time.
No.
Then?
Eating time.
Ah,
Roti.
shopping time.
Make roti. Egg something this.
Scrambled egg.
Right?
Scrambled egg.
And so I'm some prepare something for you.
What? Scrambled egg.
No.
Then
You want to know, right?
onion chopping.
No.
Yes.
Name.
Song?
Name.
New song?
Name.
Nee. Oh. Then?
Are you curious, right?
Yeah. Big Boss ticket. No one.
Why?
I go with you.
चलो.
चलो फिर. What? Surprise what?
This.
Oh my God, guys, ये हमारे बिग बॉस के
Yeah.
आउटफिट्स थे.
Yeah.
ये मेरे लिए लेके आया और अपने लिए भी लेके आया. एंड आई थिंक ये कहना चाह रहा है कि हम ये वाले आउटफिट्स पहन
Yes.
के बिग बॉस की मेमोरी को रिक्रिएट करेंगे और
Right.
तब हम वो मूवी जब भी मैच देखेंगे.
No.
सो लेट्स चेंज. So today we will watch an Indian K-series movie,
Whoa.
which is Jab We
Yes.
Met.
Wow.
And in India, you can't watch a movie without.
Wow.
Let's grab it. You want to
Chalo,
try
chalo.
Indian laddu?
Huh.
Okay.
What's what? Now start.
Train. Wow. Love
Wow.
Sarangia song.
Then which? Then couple?
Ah.
Couple?
Couple.
Wow.
Yeah, couple. Two couple. One couple. Two couple. Confusion.
Confusing.
Ah.
Like you and Big Boss situation. Right? Right. Wow. Right.
Why all
Then
my
why
friends,
crying?
Why all my friends come to my house and talk about Big Boss situation in any situation?
No.
When I was shooting with the previous artist, they also said, Big Boss situation, Big Boss, you all are obsessed with me and the Big Boss situation of mine. All the friends of mine, they all are obsessed
Well, no
with my
problem.
Big Boss situation. Manara and Manara's Big Boss situation.
No problem. Big Boss love you.
Oh,
Right?
yeah. He loves you too. You say Sarang, you know.
사랑해요.
Sarang, you Big Boss.
Salman Khanji. I love you, Salman Khanji.
Salman Khan ji, I love you too.
Then why kiss? Oh.
Oh yeah,
Kissing.
kissing. You kiss somebody in India?
No, I
Why?
don't experience.
Why?
You first me.
No, not me. I have to eat chips. I'll finish my chips. I'll finish the kachori. You finish the kissing scene. Go and find somebody in the park. Wow.
This really amazing movie.
Thank you so
Wow.
much.
Thank you for suggest me.
Thank you.
And I think my idea, we follow this.
Okay.
Kiss scene. I think your house is really expensive. This is really good.
Only
You-
talking about the expenditure and how expensive my house is. He's not concentrating on the IP. Okay. I give you this house. If
Really?
Yeah. If you accept my challenge.
Which challenge?
You like Shahid Kapoor? You like Aditya? So now I want you to dress up like Aditya.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
I'm ready.
Awesome. So he's ready.
But you can't get.
You come gift?
Yes.
You come gift?
Yes.
You come gift? Okay, let's go.
Where is Manara? Manara, where? Wow!
You look amazing.
Good.
Very good. Come sit. You came late and now I late. Because this.
Oh, so many have time.
Yes.
This working.
Yes.
Very good.
You doing makeup?
I'm done.
Done? इससे मेकअप भी कर लिया यार और यहाँ पे तो मतलब
Yes.
क्या और है?
Fast
Very
makeup.
fast. But Aura, your skin so good. What do you do for skin?
First, so many sleep.
So many sleep. 1
Wo-
hour?
8 hour.
8 hour? Okay.
And water. Pani.
Ah.
Many. Drink pani.
How much?
One day, 6 liter.
You mean 6 big bottles you drink?
Oh, this I'm dying. Two, big two,
Then what?
big
2.
2 bottle. I'm dying.
6 bottles? You
No,
dying.
so many susu. Right?
Right, so much of susu there.
You
Right.
one day how many susu?
I don't know. I
Right.
don't count. Who counts susu?
Me,
You can't count bottles, you're counting susu.
10
Wow.
times.
और मैं इससे पूछ रही हूँ कितना पानी पी रहा है, ये कह रहा है कि मैं 10 बार सुसु
10
करने
times.
जाता हूँ, बताओ.
What is your susu? Ah,
What else you do for
Ah,
skin?
using-
Mask! I know, mask! He puts so many masks.
yeah, mask pack also. More water.
4 masks. One day 4 masks.
I know, one day
that
one.
time 4 masks.
Big boss time?
Big
Oh,
mask.
one time. My mask, I'm giving you. Ankita, these people, this giving friend.
Yeah. We are all applying mask and
Yes,
dancing.
very cute.
Right.
Wow, you look really
It's done?
like some Punjabi
I'm Punjabi.
queen.
Thanks.
Punjabi queen,
Thank you.
right?
I don't check in mirror. They do
Very
good
good.
work. Yes.
Very good.
I get ready because of you.
बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है.
Very
We
good.
going Korea when?
October, because October Korea weather really good.
Guys, in October when we met and we shot Rahul Anjali reel, he said that we'll go in Feb. Now
No.
Feb is about to arrive. Now he's like we'll go in October. इससे ज़्यादा
because
चालाक इंसान नहीं देखा मैंने.
Now very cold.
That time also very cold. In October, Feb is cold.
Now another
in Feb,
level cold.
October is cold.
Now another level cold.
Then every
Some people.
पूरे साल मतलब ठंडी
हाँ.
पड़ती रहती है वहाँ. So now I go in October to Korea. No Feb.
Feb no. Feb also very cold.
I don't go with him. Cancel. No.
Feb
no,
also very cold.
Feb also
I think
cold.
you don't like.
तुम चाहता ही नहीं कि
So my
पैसे खर्चने पड़े
so
मेरी
my
ticket पे.
suggest October really good.
Okay. You book to कितना हो?
Which business?
Yeah, business.
हाँ.
Because I go for business only.
Money दे
So
दो.
I only travel business.
Money दे दो.
Money, Korean money.
You
Indian-
you have boyfriend now?
No.
Why?
Because I have to pay my EMIs. For that I have to work.
Don't lie.
Bye.
Your boyfriend. Who?
Where?
Who?
Where?
Who's your boyfriend?
My boyfriend?
Uh.
Not here. America.
Samaru, right?
Samar is not my boyfriend. Why you think Samar is my boyfriend?
Abhishek.
Abhishek is my boyfriend.
हाँ.
Hey भगवान क्या
Just a
बोल रहे
kissing?
हो? Just a kissing?
हाँ.
No kissing. Okay, now we are done. Let's go out.
Let's
and
go!
Oh my God, what an eventful day now.
벌레.
Balle balle, but it was a balle day. Was it not like a Big Boss day, like Big Boss time when we changed so many clothes in one day?
Right. So many.
So many.
Right.
Only night suit. No, night suit was also done when we were watching TV. So everything. So we covered night suit. We covered the Bollywood theme.
Do you remember
we-
this?
Covered the weekend ka war clothes.
Yes. Christmas time also. So many change we.
Ah. Hey, Christmas element.
Oh.
So we completed everything. So I think universe wanted this to happen, and we had been planning to do this IP for such a long time, but
Right.
Aura was like traveling back to back because of course December is the season of shows. You made good money in December.
Not much.
Not much.
I think you very good money.
You,
right?
I think because he doesn't want to buy me a business class ticket to Korea, that's why he's
Yeah.
saying that. So now,
Right.
when are you taking me to Korea? Oh, I only travel business class, huh?
그 마나라 채널 오너 please booking. 비즈니스 티켓.
Okay, so I think we should manifest that we should be getting all-paid trip to Korea this year. So Aura and I think Rachna is listening somewhere behind. She will make it happen for us because we want to go to Korea.
Oh.
And once we reach Korea, then for shopping we have enough money. But we don't want to spend because we are...
리치! 짤로!
Chalo!
I want to meet your mom.
Mama, aa jao.
아자! 아자!
ऐसे ही होता है
बस ऐसे ही आ जाओ.
वो वाइट वाले कोट में कितना अच्छा लग रहा है
I want some prepare. Mom, gift.
व्हाट इज दिस
This some secret gift.
सो मेनी थिंग्स
My love this.
थैंक यू सो मच टू
사랑해.
सीख गया मैं बिग बॉस में देखा
Mom,
था
this.
तुमको कैसे बना रहा है
Hey,
ऐसे या सो स्वीट
And you give this to him now.
What is this?
This is for you. This is for you. Eating. When you go back to Korea, on the way, eating.
you.
So on that note, we all must say, 사랑해요.
사랑해요.